Hello friends, so it's really possible to get paid just by chatting and talking with other people on this platform. The only thing that you're going to do on this platform is that you're going to make sure that these other people that you're going to talk to, they're going to feel very comfortable and less lonely. So all you want to do right now, you have to go on this platform, then you have to click on the top of this website. You have to click this place which is written as be a papa Paul. The very good thing about this platform, you will be told before joining on this platform like how much you'll be paid per 1 hour after talking to these other people and all that. So the average amount that you'll be making on this platform is $22 per 1 hour. So it just depends like how many hours you are willing to offer your service on this platform. You can end up making up to $50 or $80 just on this platform. So as you can see here, you have to come down here. If you're ready to join on this platform, you have to put your mobile phone number, as you can see here. Then this platform is going to text you this code, and you have to verify that you have received this code, and after that you'll be able to start making money after talking to other people on this platform. So I'm going to be really honest about this platform. They're really going to pay you a reasonable amount of money. They're really going to pay you good money, but you don't have to expect like you are going to make $10,000 on this platform. No, you can end up making up to $500, $1,000. It just depends like how many hours you are willing to offer service on this platform. Right after joining on this platform, it's not just having conversation on phone and all that. No, sometimes you have to physically visit them, and after that you're going to get paid good amount of money. So this website is going to connect you with the other people around your area or near you and start making money. This is a very legit website, and this website is called Papa. This is among of the trusted websites that I can recommend for you to go ahead and start making money just by having conversation. And sometimes you can visit these other people and see like how they're doing and all that. This is a very important thing to understand before you go ahead and join on this website. So right now we are going to see our next website. Our next platform is called 7Caps. And on this website, you can get paid by providing emotional support to any person who is going through hard time on this platform. He's willing to pay you money just by having conversation with you and all that. And the very good thing about this website is that you can just end up just by chatting or only by having phone call or video call, and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. So I'm going to show you these pictures. You can see here, this is the kind of conversation that you'll be having with your client on this platform. And as I said, that you can just communicate through message, phone call, or video call. And the amount of money that you'll be making on this platform, it will be around $15 up to $20 per 1 hour. It just depends like how many service you are providing every single day. So if you have more clients, you'll be in a position to make more money on this platform. This is a very trusted, as you can see, all these reviews, everyone says that this website is a very legit and they really get money on this website. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so our next platform is called Supportiv, and the aim of this platform is to help people to make them feel better. You know, all these people, they stress, depression, anger, all these people, they are on this platform waiting for you. So if you're ready to talk to people like this who are feeling lonely at the moment, who are having stress, depression, if you're ready to talk to them and encourage them by giving emotional support, you'll be in a position to make up to $15. So all you want to do right now, you need to go to this platform, and you have to scroll down here and click this place which is written as career. After a very short time, you will be receiving this confirmation message that you are allowed to start making money on this platform. This is among the most trusted platforms that I can recommend for you to go ahead and start making money. At the same time, you are going to make friends by supporting them with emotional advice and all that. This is a very good platform that you can go ahead and start making money. So the next website that we're going to see right now is very interesting, and the only thing that I really like about this website is nearly available all over the world. This is a very good website. So what do I do right here? You have to go to this website. As you can see, this is the name of this website. You have to go on this website, and on the top here you have to click this place written as join on this website. Right after joining on this website, let's say that you are from Tanzania, Africa, you have to write here your location, and after writing your location on this platform, you'll be able to see all these people that are using this platform around your area, around your location. So it will be so easy for you to get someone to chat to around your area. And there are a lot of people who may be willing to pay you after having conversation. And other people on this platform, they are just going to pay you just to hang out with them. This is a very good thing about this website. It's not just by chatting or having video call and all that. Sometimes you can meet with these people personally, and you can get paid just by having conversation and hang out with anyone that you meet from this website. You can get paid up to $40 per one conversation, or $50 only by hanging out with anyone that you meet on this platform. So this was our last website, and I just decided to come with only 4 websites that they are really working and you can really get paid on this website. A lot of videos on YouTube, you can find these videos that they assure you that if you go to this website you can really get money, but if you go ahead and try this website, you can find out that that website is really not gonna pay you. That's the reason I had to choose only few websites, but they're very, very trusted website. And if right now you're going to try and join on this website, you can be in a position to start making money. And as I told before, you really need to be very careful, and at the same time you really don't have to expect like you're gonna make decent amount of money on this platform. You can make good money, but it's not over, it's not over $10,000, it's not over $5,000. You really need to be careful, because you're not going to make such amount of money. You're just going to make this little amount of money that can help you to buy internet, coffee, and groceries around $100 up to $500, $1,000. It just depends on how many clients that you're willing to have conversation with on this platform. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I did hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David, and see you next time.